Hello, judges. My name is Natalia Cortez, and I was a writer of the group.
My name is Bella Rose, and I'm the editor of the group.
Hi, my name is Bethany Famar, and I was the engineer of the group.
My name is Yaretsi Costilla, and I was the designer of the group. And we're currently in eighth grade attending Orchard Park School and are representing California.
Now we're going to go into the problem that our users face. So, fitter construction workers have very limited access to healthcare. On top of this, they're not given the adequate conditions to work with. This leaves them to be at high risk for heat strokes, and with the ever growing threat of global warming, this threat only becomes greater for them. Our users are field workers and construction workers, especially those from Latin America. 51% of these workers are Hispanic, and half of these field workers are undocumented. 8% of the construction sector currently works in the US. The impact that thermal popes make is to lessen the risk of heat strokes for our users and to shorten the disparity gap that our users have to go through every single day. Our final goal eventually is that our users don't have to pick in between health and employment. But with all this impact that Thermalert made, we had to grab input from our users to be able to make it good for them.
After surveying many people and talking to our users, Efren Costilla and Victor Morano, we have gained much input for our product. They have said a protective case and making our product Bluetooth compatible would help them while working. This impacted us to make something lightweight yet sturdy for working and at an affordable price for users who are low income. And making an app that when the user goes into heat strokes that signals to the app so the user can be kept alert for their health and get the help necessary. Onto our product description. Thermal Alert alerts the user when they're about to have heat stroke using a buzzer, LEDs, and an LCD screen in our newest edition, an app. Our temperature and heart rate sensors detect the surface body temperature and your heart rate, and the LCD screen displays this. The green light means that your temperature and heart rate is good, and the yellow light means that your temperature and heart rate is high, and the red light means that your temperature and heart rate is at heat stroke level. The buzzer turns on low at yellow and gets loud and vibrates more at red. With the app, when the red LED goes off, it sends a signal to the app and the user's chosen contacts will be alerted. Our product is also designed as a sleeve to be easy to use and portable, as well as affordable at $20, and includes a protective case.
Our product is also innovative because it is able to detect early stages of heat stroke. It also easily displays vitals of our user and is effective for those who are impaired and uses buzzers to alert the stages of heat stroke. Not only that, it doesn't cost much and is easy to use. It is also accessible to buy and user friendly. Our key features are the temperature sensor, which helps detect when heat stroke is occurring, our LCD screen, which easily displays the temperature and heart rates. We also have our LEDs, which alerts you when your temperature is fine, rising, and at a risky level. And our buzzer, which beeps when you're at extremely high temperatures. Our heart rate sensor, which detects when the user's heart rate is nearing heat stroke. And our newest addition, an app, which displays the temperature and heart rate on the phone by downloading an app. Thermalert has worked endlessly to incorporate ways to add equity in our design. We made sure that the last alerting system, which is the buzzer, not only was able to make a noise, but that is also able to create a vibration so that those who are not able to hear can still be alerted. We have also searched high and low for materials that are not expensive but still kept the quality Thermalert strives to have. Our product is accessible, that way our user gets a strong and sturdy product they deserve.
Our users, Efren Costilla and Victor Moreno, they both work outside in unbearable heat. And because of the heat, they are prone to have a heat stroke. They both need a device that is lightweight so that it doesn't disturb them while working. In addition to lightweight material, our users wish to obtain a device that obtains an alerting system to warn the users that their temperature is high. Thermalert has a temperature sensor that will warn the users when they are having symptoms of a heat stroke. Therefore, Thermalert fulfills the user's needs. So the user feedback. My dad, Efren Costilla, gave very positive feedback saying that Thermalert is just what a construction and field worker needs. Also, like Bella said before, we created a survey and had more of our local construction and field workers give their feedback on our product. We received about 17 responses from our local construction and field workers. We received responses of positive feedback saying that our product would help construction and field workers preventing a heat stroke. Some gave feedback saying that ThermAlert would be better if it was more compact in size and it would help them in working. Now I'm going to pass it on with Natalia with the product demonstration.
As you can see, this is our product, ThermAlert. Here we have our lovely battery port and our buzzer and LED lights. As you can see right now, the green LED light is on because it's at a low temperature. And we have our temperature sensor as well as our heart rate sensor hidden inside.
And as you can see right now, since it's 115 degrees, it's currently at the yellow light and the buzzer is beeping. Now, since it's at 118 degrees, the red light turned on and the buzzer goes at a higher pitch. To the right of our slide, we also have the app that displays the temperature and heart rate. So this is what the app would look like once our user and the chosen receiver for the user downloads the app. Now we're going to go into the user reaction with Yaretzi's dad, Efren Costilla.
Construction worker, and here we have our lovely ThermAlert. So what do you think about our product?
So this is a good idea for construction workers. We need to check temperature and when it's hot outside.
What do you think about from the last time you saw it?
More update.
More updates.
So that's our user reaction. So thank you so much for coming and listening to us. ThermAlert is on its way to become a accessible, affordable, and good device for millions of people everywhere. Thank you very much.